December is the best time of year to be selling print on demand. So I made a list of 10 of the best opportunities of niches that sell well every December, accompanied with what print on demand products do the best for each one of those niches. Oh, and it gets better. I also gave some examples of AI prompts to generate designs for each one of these 10 opportunities. So in this video, I'm gonna go through how to generate designs using AI for each of these 10 niches. And I'm sharing the entire list with you in the description of this video. I won't bury the lead. It'll be the second link in the description. So let's go to the first opportunity. It's going to be personalized ornaments for things like family, pets, or celebrating milestones from that year. So why now? Ornaments are among the strongest holiday performers for print on demand, and personalization is a major 2025 shopping driver. Products that you might want to focus on include flat or ceramic or metal ornaments, acrylics, wooden cuts, and gift boxes. So here's just a few examples from Printify that you can see up here. Now, I also included an AI prompt as well as some example outputs, and I want to generate AI outputs with you in real time as we go through this list. So I'm going to copy this AI prompt. It says, cozy watercolor Christmas ornament design of a family of 4 with a golden retriever, warm trinkle light bokeh, soft snow, space for names, and the year, high-res printable vector edges. I don't know what that word is, B-O-K-E-H, so apologies if I said it wrong. So I pasted this prompt. I'm gonna hit generate image, and then what I'm gonna do, I made room for 4 different generations. So now I'm gonna switch to Seedream 4. That first one was using Ideogram 2. This is Seedream 4. The next one, let's generate using Nano Banana, which I know everybody loves, myself included. And for the fourth one, let's do Google Image Gen 4. Okay, and we can even zoom in here and check the outputs as they're being generated. What's so cool is AI is getting better and better, and it's taking less and less time to create these outputs. Now, one thing that I would do differently, because I intend to sell these for print on demand, is I would remove the part that says ornament design, and I would regenerate these so that it is actually optimized for me to use on a Christmas ornament. And it was that simple, guys. I removed the keyword ornament and just left it as Christmas designs, regenerated the designs, and they look amazing. By the way, Kittle's running a promotion right now where they are allowing their community to generate 10 million AI images using shared credits, meaning you don't have to worry about running out of credits. You're gonna draw from the community pool until they run out. So make sure you sign up for Kittle and check it out. You saw how easily I just did this. Well, you can do it right there with me using these prompts that I'm sharing for free. Check it out. Everything is linked below in the description. The next big trend between now and December is matching family pajamas and coordinated sweatshirts. Why now? Matching pajamas spike for Christmas morning photos and are highly shareable. Sweatshirts and hoodies lead winter apparel sales. Great products include all over pajama sets, crew necks, hoodies, and of course, kid sizes as well for the whole family. For the AI prompt, it's Nordic knit pattern, repeat in burgundy and cream, scalable vector, family name Christmas 2025, badge option, clean for DTF. So we can go ahead back over here to Kittle. I'm gonna paste the prompt. And I might honestly just remove the part that says family name so that we don't have to, we can add that in over top. So that was Ideogram. Here's Seedream. Here is Nano Banana. And here is Google Image Gen 4. And there's our outputs. It looks like everything but Ideogram rendered exactly what we asked for with a repeatable pattern. I think that this knit pattern right here with a little bit of that 3D textured effect is gonna look really good. I believe the output for that was Seedream 4. The only thing is it looks like it's knitted, and as long as we're communicating to our customers, hey, it's a faux, like a fake knit effect being printed onto a normal sweatshirt, I think we'd be doing really well. So the next opportunity is Pet Christmas. You know, shout out to all the pets out there. Pet bandanas, ornaments, sweaters, etc. There's a massive catalog in Printify. So why now? Pet gear is called out as a holiday-ready seller. Ornaments and cozy wear convert as gifts. Products include pet bandanas, hoodies, paw print ornaments, first Christmas tags. That's a great idea. And here's an AI prompt idea. Cute Shiba in Santa scarf, kawaii style, candy red background, vector outlines, room for a pet name. And there's our output. Honestly, anytime we say room for a pet name, I feel like it alters the outputs in a way that I'm not a fan of. So if I was showing you how I'd personally do this myself, I would not prompt the AI to leave room for a pet name. I will take the output from the AI, probably remove the background. Honestly, I'd say this one's probably my favorite, and you've got the whole body. So I'd remove the background, which you can easily do in Kittl. There's a button right behind me that says remove background. You click that and it's easy. Up next, you vectorize it, and now you're cooking with gas here. Once it's vectorized, you can do anything with that. You can blow it up, make it really large. You can make it, of course, scale it down. They have these pre-made color palettes as well in case you want to make a blue Shiba Inu dog, pink Shiba Inu dog, etc. There's a lot of fun things you can do with it in Kittl. But anyways, moving on. The next opportunity is Gothmas, a dark, elegant, celestial holiday. So why now? Etsy's seasonal trend list highlights Gothmas as a rising aesthetic, moody candles, black lace, celestial motifs. Products include black on black sweaters, metallic foil mugs, gothic stockings, and art prints. So here is an example of an AI prompt: Victorian Gothic Christmas wreath with black lace, silver moons, star sparks, dramatic chiaroscuro. no, I'm going to get cooked in the comments. And vector ready. And there are 4 sample outputs giving us exactly what we asked for with that Victorian Gothic Christmas wreath design here using AI in Kittl. Now let's move on to the next opportunity, Nutcracker Core, ballet-inspired jewel tones and bows. Why now? Featured by Etsy as a key holiday look, also echoed across mainstream decor trend coverage. Great products include velvet look graphics for sweatshirts, bow-heavy tote art, pastel jewel ornament sets. And here's an AI prompt: pastel nutcracker soldiers with velvet ribbons, jewel tone palette, soft stage lighting, seamless pattern. And there's AI giving us exactly what we asked for, although I do think it got a little tripped up here with the, what was that, Sea Dream 4 and the pattern, because it's got like legs coming out of the guy's head. And it does not look to be a seamless pattern. It looks like Nano Banana got the seamless pattern ask correctly. And it also looks like Google Image Gen 4 also was able to get that correct. And you can always regenerate them, especially using all of Kittl's 10 million free credits, assuming there's some left, by the way. Eventually, those will run out, guys. So create a little bit of a sense of an urgency. If you're waiting to check out Kittl, make sure to jump in, use the description, the link in the description, and jump in there today and just mess around. It's fun. All right, Playhouse Dopamine Color Maximalism. It's the next opportunity. So Etsy reports big lifts for colorful accessories, maximalist prints, and joy-filled decor. Products include candy color stockings, loud sweaters, neon typographic posters. So here's an AI prompt idea: candy hued holiday doodles like bows, bells, candy canes, chunky outline, Memphis accents, and vector repeat. And there's our output using AI image gen here in Kittl. Moving on to the next opportunity, Nona Holiday, nostalgic kitchen heirloom vibes. We're taking it back to Italy, where I was just a month ago, actually. So why now? Etsy spotlights Nona Holiday, engraved boards, embroidered towels, tomato red accents, crocheted ornaments, because nostalgia sells. Products include tea towels, aprons, mugs, recipe card, art prints, all of which you can find in Printify, by the way, and I'll link to that in the description. Here's an AI prompt idea: warm Italian kitchen illustration, gingham, tomatoes, flour dust, retro script Buon Natale, which I had to Google, I think that's Merry Christmas in Italian, and printable for textiles. Are you guys feeling that rustic Italian nostalgic vibe? I know I am with these Buon Natale AI outputs, and I hope I pronounced that correctly. All right, the next opportunity is ballet, bows, rococo, revival, ornate romantic ribbon core, okay? Why now? Pinterest 2025 macro trends point to rococo revival and bow-heavy feminine decor. Press also highlights oversized ribbons and the color burgundy. Great products include ribbon pattern, sweaters, bow ornaments, harlequin diamond patterns on mugs, and other wrappings. You can even do custom wrapping paper, by the way, in Printify. So here's an AI prompt idea: ornate rococo holiday frame, burgundy velvet ribbons, gold leaf flourishes, delicate pastels, and layered vector. This is one of the coolest parts about Kittl, that we can access all these different image generating engines from one location. I'm only using 4 of them, by the way. There's over 10, but look at the difference in the outputs. Like there is a massive difference between here, the ideogram output, and the Google Image Gen 4 output as an example, or even the Nano Banana. I actually prefer kind of the photorealistic. It's even got like the shadows and whatnot from ideogram. So what's really cool, guys, is you can access all of them so easily here in Kittl, and hopefully this video is highlighting that. All right, the next opportunity, number 9 out of 10, and remember, you can access this full list in the description for free. New Year 2026 party graphics, timely and giftable. So why now? December flows straight into New Year's Eve. Etsy's key dates include December 31st and January 1st. Thank you, Etsy. Fresh, time-stamped designs convert. Great products include 2026 party tees, champagne mugs, foil effect posters. There's even little beer koozies there that you can customize in Printify. So here's an AI prompt. Art Deco, Hello 2026 with champagne burst, confetti, clean, gold on black, scalable for shirts and posters. And here are the outputs. It looks like Nano Banana actually rendered a picture of a t-shirt, so I'd have to rerun that prompt. But the rest of them look really cool. Some of these would look great on koozies, or even, I don't know if you noticed, you could sell custom champagne flutes through Printify. So there's so much you can do here. And this has me excited for the new year that's only less than 2 months away. How crazy is that? All right, number 10 of 10. Opportunities for print-on-demand sellers to capitalize in December. Ski lodge and winter sports aesthetic. Why now? Winter activity accessories like beanies, gaiters, jackets, and cozy cabin vibes are recommended by Printful as seasonal sellers. Great products include beanies, other hats, I'm sure, neck gaiters, Sherpa blankets, and hot cocoa mugs. And here's our outputs. The AI prompt was retro ski poster, Alpenglow mountains, cable car, silhouette, snow grit texture, vector poster style. And what's cool is these outputs are not actually vectorized yet, but in Kittl, I can simply click one that I like and click vectorize, drag the color slider up to 16, and then I'm gonna click vectorize image. It's truly that simple, guys. And once this image is vectorized now, it is resolution independent. I can scale it up as big as I need to and slap this thing on a cozy, woven blanket in Printify. And if you don't believe me, check this out. I downloaded the image, brought it over to Printify's woven blanket. If you didn't know this existed, well, now you do. These sell incredibly well in the winter season, which means it's just getting started. I mean, it's still nice out. I was walking my dogs outside in a t-shirt today, so you are front running the cold weather, and these woven blankets are going to do extremely well. They're just one of the many products you can capitalize on that I tried to outline in this document that is linked below, completely free, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. I really hope you found this helpful. As a reminder, Kittl, 10 million free graphic renders for the whole community to share, so go use them before you lose them. Thanks for watching till the end, guys, and I'll see you at the next one.